sisters, I beg you to give and preach roundabout manners. Oh, living man, you should have roundabout manners. Roundabout manners. Oh, people forgot that they are brothers and sisters cohabiting the same planet. So kingdom became delusional and imagined separating them and starting to destroy it. There's a roundabout, roundabout, roundabout manners. Police brutality everywhere in our cities. Clashes and tribal conflicts that weakens us. Roundabout manners. Brothers and sisters, I beg you to give and preach roundabout manners. Oh, living men, you should have roundabout manners. Roundabout manners. People forgot that they are all brothers and sisters cohabiting the same planet. So kinda became delusional and imagined these invisible borders and structures separating them and started destroying each other. Drama that divides the society, weakening our unity with the Creator. Politicians dragging out the powers instead of just living, sharing, creating manners. Roundabout, roundabout, roundabout manners. Roundabout, roundabout, roundabout manners. Roundabout, roundabout, roundabout manners. Brothers and sisters, wake up. Tell Mr. Politician that you want freedom, unity and resilience. Tell them to have roundabout manners.